Ever since Tesla Glide shoes started blowing up all over the internet, everyone's been asking the same thing. Bro, are these things actually real, or is the internet trolling us again? So in this video, we're diving straight into the madness behind these so-called floating shoes, because the clips look wild. People literally gliding like they're weightless, but when you slow them down, the whole illusion starts falling apart. The physics don't add up, the shadows don't match, and the movements look like classic CGI or iVideo edits that influencers use to farm views. And that alone raises big red flags. Then we check Tesla's official website, Tesla's X account, Elon Musk's statements, and even the public patent database, and guess what? There is absolutely zero mention of any Tesla Glide shoes. No prototype, no announcement, nothing even close, which makes the viral claims even more suspicious. On top of that, random pages online are slapping the Tesla logo on edited clips just to look legit. And a bunch of scammy websites, most of them with no real company info, no verified contact details, and no order tracking, are pretending to sell these shoes, promising gravity-defying technology that doesn't even exist. And the worst part? People who actually tried buying them say their money just vanished. The site never replied, and the product never arrived, which tells you exactly what kind of game is being played here. So in this video, I break down everything we discovered. Every claim, every viral clip, and every sketchy website. And by the end, you'll know the truth behind whether Tesla Glide shoes are real innovation or just another internet fantasy designed to grab attention and empty wallets.